Introduction. Nature and significance of management. As the size of an organization grows, various assistants, known as managers, are required to carry out the essential business activities. These managers, working at different levels, have to interact with their subordinates and get the work done from them. Managers perform this activity by making optimum use of the human resources in order to achieve the organizational goals. This is known as management. Let us discuss meaning of management, 5 M's of management, concept of management, characteristics and objectives of management, importance and nature of management, levels and hierarchy of management, coordination and cooperation, key elements of coordination, and features and needs of coordination. Meaning of management. Management means manage men tactfully. While a manager deals with the employees in the organization, he needs to be very much tactful in getting the work done which is assigned to them. There are 2 ways for getting the work done from them: traditional approach and modern approach. Traditional approach, as per Mary Parker Follett. Management is the art of getting things done through people. And modern approach, as per John F. Mee. Management may be defined as the art of securing maximum prosperity with a minimum of effort so as to secure maximum prosperity and happiness for both employer and employee and give the public the best possible service. The impact of modern approach. The meaning of management is no longer limited to getting the work done. It now makes provision for the competitive remuneration, healthy working atmosphere, healthy superior-subordinate relationship, monetary incentives and non-monetary incentives. 5 M's of management. These are men, money, materials, methods and machines. Concept of management in a nutshell. Management is the process of working with and through others to achieve organizational objectives effectively by using limited resources efficiently in the changing environment. The above definition consists of 3 terms: process, effectiveness and efficiency. Process of management includes planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Effectiveness means achieving the desired result in limited time. Efficiency means achieving the desired results with minimum cost and maximum profits. Difference between effectiveness and efficiency. Characteristics of management. Management is a goal-oriented process. Management is pervasive. Management is multidimensional. Management is a continuous process. Management is a group activity. Management is a dynamic function. And management is an intangible force. Objectives of management. These are organizational objectives, social objectives, and personal objectives. Organizational objectives include survival, profit, and growth. Social objectives include supply of quality products at reasonable prices, creation of employment opportunities for the differently specially abled, health facilities for workers, price regulation, using environmental friendly methods of production, organizing educational, health and vocational training programs. Personal objectives include competitive salaries and perks, personal growth and development, peer recognition, social recognition, and good and healthy working conditions. Importance of management. Helps in achieving group goals. Increases efficiency. Creates a dynamic organization. Helps in achieving personal objectives. Helps in the development of society. Nature of management. Management can be defined as an art, as a science, and as a profession. Features of management as an art. Practical knowledge, personalized knowledge, and continuous practice and creativity. Features of management as a science. Systematic body of knowledge. Principle based on experiments. Universal validity. And cause and effect relationship. Management, both science and art. Management is a science because it uses certain principles and provides a systemized body of knowledge. Management is an art because it requires continuous practice and personal skill. The manager applies his theoretical knowledge in solving day-to-day problems. Features of management as a profession. Body of knowledge. Formal methods of training. Fee as remuneration. Existence of ethical code and establishment of representative bodies. Levels of management. These are top-level management, middle-level management, and supervisory-level management. Hierarchy of management. Top-level managers give orders to middle-level managers. Middle-level managers give orders to supervisory-level managers. Supervisory-level managers give orders to performance-level employees. Difference between coordination and cooperation. Coordination and cooperation. Coordination. Coordination may be defined as the orderly arrangement of group efforts to provide unity of action in the realization of a common purpose. Cooperation. Cooperation implies to the collective efforts by the persons working together in an enterprise voluntarily for achieving a common objective. Key elements of coordination. These are integration, balancing, and timing. Integration, balancing, and timing. Features and needs of coordination. Features. Since management is a group activity, coordination has to be brought in the group to achieve desired goals. It is the duty of the manager to channelize individual efforts in the same direction. Since all the functions have to be performed on continuous basis, they have to be coordinated as well. Coordination is required at all levels of management. Managers ensure that overall policies for the organizations are effectively carried out. Despite the cooperation among the workers and departments, coordination still gives a direction to that willing spirit. Needs of coordination. Size of the organization, functional differentiation, and specialization.